Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the Ruko F11PRO and the Loiley drone. It's a battle between the big spender and the budget-friendly flyer. Who will win your heart and your wallet? Let's find out. Alright, first up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. On the left, we have the Ruko F11PRO flaunting a price tag of $389. That's right, folks, $389. You could almost buy a small island for that much. Meanwhile, on the right, we've got the Loiley drone, which comes in at a humble $99. You heard that right, $99. That's like the cost of a fancy dinner date, but this one won't ghost you the next day. Now, if you're into aerial photography, this is where things get spicy. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 90 degrees adjustable angle. You'll get cinematic shots that'll make even Spielberg jealous. On the other hand, the Loiley drone comes with an HD 1080p camera. It's perfect for capturing your dog's confused face when it sees a drone for the first time. Sure, it's not 4K, but hey, 1080p is still HD, right? Reviewers have praised the Ruko F11PRO for its exceptional camera quality, while Loiley drone users appreciate the decent quality for its price. Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The Ruko F11PRO offers a whopping 60 minutes of flight time with its two 2,500 mAh batteries. That's an entire episode of your favorite TV show. Meanwhile, the Loiley drone gives you around 25 to 30 minutes with its two rechargeable batteries. Not bad for a pocket-sized drone, but you might need to land it before your pizza delivery arrives. Reviewers love the extended flight time of the Ruko F11PRO, making it worth the investment. If you're a newbie, pay attention. The Ruko F11PRO is designed for beginners with features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, and hand gesture shots. It even has a built-in GPS auto return home. It's like having a drone that's smarter than your average teenager. On the flip side, the Loiley drone is also super user-friendly with one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. Plus, it has a smart app control with features like voice control and gesture selfies. It's basically like flying a drone with the power of your mind and your smartphone. Reviewers commend both drones for being beginner-friendly, but note that the Ruko F11PRO offers more advanced features. Now let's talk durability. The Ruko F11PRO has a brushless motor and an aluminum alloy casing, making it tough enough to handle level 6 wind resistance. It's like the Chuck Norris of drones. The Loiley drone, while not as robust, is compact and lightweight, weighing under 250 grams. You can fold it up and stick it in your pocket. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, small, versatile, and always ready for action. Reviewers have highlighted the Ruko F11PRO's sturdiness, while the Loiley drone is praised for its portability. Lastly, let's not forget about customer support. The Ruko F11PRO offers a 30-day return or exchange policy and a 90-day free warranty. They even have considerate customer service, which is rare these days. The Loiley drone also has your back with 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and money-back services. Plus, it comes with a portable bag and extra propeller guards, because who doesn't need a little extra protection? Reviewers appreciate the reliable customer support for both drones. Reviewers have praised the Ruko F11PRO for its exceptional camera quality, extended flight time, and advanced features. On the other hand, the Loiley drone is appreciated for its affordability, decent camera quality, and user-friendly controls, making it a great option for beginners. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko F11PRO is your go-to if you're looking for top-notch features and have some extra cash to burn. But if you're budget-conscious and still want a fun, reliable drone, the Loiley drone is your new best friend. Which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic product battles. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.